Hello from Mindpads. TOK Essay November 2017. Topic number 1. Is the value of knowledge related to how easy it is to access? Develop your answer with reference to two areas of knowledge. Knowledge question 1. What factors determine the value of knowledge? When found truly valuable and worthy, knowledge often turns out to be a source of immense and long-lasting power, the key to survival and self-preservation, or a solution set for problems and mysteries. It is in the application that knowledge finds its maximum value. This is particularly relevant in context of academic and practical research. For example, an understanding of certain mathematical models may be of limited value in the abstract, but when applied to epidemiological research are of immense value. The extent of the practical application and the underlying justification of produced knowledge enhances its inherent value, that is appreciated and treasured by us. When accompanied and associated with cognitive ability, achievement and success, the knowledge produced indicates a strong and direct correlation with the value and worth that we attribute to it. It is also in the method or ease of the method of access to knowledge that we judge the value of the knowledge. For additional content, read more at Mindpads.org. Knowledge question 2. What enables easy access to knowledge? The easy access to knowledge takes place when we can freely and swiftly access the knowledge built up over centuries to recent times. The information and knowledge are available to us in plenty, often in enormous quantities for free or at very low costs, enabling easy access to knowledge. The knowledge today, aggregated over past centuries, is stored for the most part in libraries in printed form, getting changed into digital form on the internet, with new as well as old work being increasingly released online. Unlike in the past, when the knowledge was the preserve of the elite social and economic groups, the knowledge economies of present have been built by knocking down the barriers to information and learning and being inclusive. Beginning with the printing press in the 15th century, technology has been the foremost and prevailing force in bringing about easy access to knowledge. Knowledge question 3. To what extent has the production and acquisition of knowledge gained from easy access? 500 years ago, the process of democratizing knowledge began by providing easier and greater access to information and knowledge with the invention of the printing press. The printing press not only transformed learning, it transformed the relationship between the teacher and the learner, the masters and the disciples. Researchers, scholars, artists, and early scientists could read, refer, research, and learn from texts authored by ancients and their peers. The books became the silent instructors. Scholarly writing and reading took birth in the post-printing era. The scholarly writing was recognized and acknowledged as the authorship of the original idea or theme in texts, and scholarly reading was set up as a process of gathering, comprehending, and using the information and knowledge from multiple sources. This knowledge, available and easily accessible to all, brought in social, cultural, and economic synergies. This shared knowledge grew socially through increased civic and academic participation, culturally by encouraging and harnessing ideas and learning, and economically by enabling and facilitating innovation. Knowledge question 4. How much do we value shared knowledge gained through easy access? Shared knowledge, which by its nature is easy to access and comprehend, is an aggregation of the knowledge held by its constituent individuals, and it is through the process of synergy and synthesis that it becomes more than the sum of its parts, thus more valuable. As a part of the ongoing process, shared knowledge and personal knowledge shape each other and in turn gets transformed through influence on thoughts and imagination, enabling understanding, developing perspectives, and forming moral and ethical standpoints. On the contrary, the group can be prone to polarization, biases, peer pressure, and other social influence. The shared knowledge can also have its origins in deep rooted prejudices and predispositions, besides collective ignorance and flawed logic. There have been multiple cases in the past wherein majority view or largely shared knowledge ranging from scientific theories to popular beliefs was found to be flawed or false. Traditionally, shared knowledge in sciences and mathematics have their own checks and balances within the respective communities. Yet the unrestricted nature of the internet has propagated popular pseudoscience and conspiracy theories that are difficult to discredit and disprove. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. For additional content, visit us at mindpads.org, or for any queries, write to us at mindpads.org@gmail.com.